Today, it's now time for a treat.
I'm doing a lunch meeting with Nisha.
You're taking me for lunch as well,
Yes,
right?
you're also coming for lunch.
And so we're off to lunch, but on our way there, it's time to catch up on what the Kapoor gal's been up to. Okay, now we've settled in Sonam's car, and Sonam is of course treating us to lunch.
Yes.
But before we reach, wherever we're going, I want to know what's happening right now in your life.
What is happening in my life? I've signed. The thing is, because of Delhi 6 getting slightly delayed, all my movies got pushed forward. So I had to finish 3 films in 1 year. So
Three films
in 1 year, which I promised myself that I wouldn't do. But I'm doing it anyways, and they're all beautiful films. But I can only talk about my first film, which is Aisha, which is opposite Abhay Deol.
Okay.
And my dad is the company is producing it, but my sister's a producer on it. We start in June. May we start the readings and everything, which is right now. I start in June, but till now I'm only meeting a lot of directors with a lot of brilliant scripts, and I'm already planning 2010 shooting.
Oh God. So your dates are booked till?
Dates are booked till April 2010.
Which of course explains why it was so difficult to track you down. But what I want to know is Aisha is of course the remake of Emma, right?
No, it's not a remake. It's based on Jane Austen's novel Emma. I play the title role. The film's name is Aisha, and it's beautiful and it's true to the story.
What I have to ask is now, like you said, Adabhay is with you in the film. And we were talking about earlier how you've just met him a couple of times, and already the rumor mills are all like linking the two of you together.
I know, but it's I don't know. Abhay and me got along like really well once we met, but he is my co-star. I don't know him, and I met him like 2-3 times, and I don't know. Like it was his birthday 2 or 3 days after I met him. I went there for 15 minutes, and my sister invited him on to her birthday, so we met twice at parties and once or twice in the office. So there's been like this whole thing, but I expected it because we always get linked to co-stars. That's misfortune in our profession.
Yeah, but Kunal Kapoor isn't even a co-star and you still get linked with him. How did that happen now?
I have no idea. I guess because he was Rakesh's friend and he's visited the set once or twice. I met 3 times.
Oh, God.
He's an extremely good-looking man, and he's very nice from whatever I know of him. So it's not a hardship to be linked to really good-looking and nice people like Abhay and Kunal and all. I'm quite flattered, but at the same time, it's not true. And the thing is, I went for a movie with 2 of my best friends. One is Kunal Rawal and my brother Arjun Kapoor. So I have a feeling they've mismatched the names together.
And Kunal Kapoor.
Yeah, I have a feeling that's what it is. This is my manager's thing.
Okay, but what do you do on a normal day when you don't have all these shootings to attend and meetings to go to and appointments to, kind of complete?
I really don't remember, I've been working non-stop, but what do? I surf the net, I read, I meet my friends.
Are you a bookworm?
I'm a bookworm. I'm a bookworm. I can't help myself.
So what are you reading right now?
Right now I'm reading Oscar Wilde. Cyrus was one of my best friends. He presented this book to me, and he said I should read the works of Oscar Wilde because he's got a sarcastic sense of humor, and his black sense of humor matches mine, and I will be completely awed by him, and I am completely awed by Oscar Wilde.
This is the quote that you were just telling me, right?
Yes, I was.
You have to tell the quote to the audience.
Oh my God. Okay, fine. In Picture of Dorian Gray, Lord Henry says that women get married because they're curious, and men get married because they're bored, and eventually both are disappointed. So men are never bored and women lose. Men are very predictable. Women are interesting and men are predictable. That's what it means.
Yeah, actually. But otherwise, so bookworm, you surf the net, listen to music, dance?
I dance. I dance as much as I can. I work out. I meet my friends. I meet my family. I go out at night, I go clubbing once in a while.
Yeah, that's also in the papers today. For some reason, you have a deadline still?
I still have a deadline, but I don't know from where the story has come out. Like, I'm usually always on time.
Okay, the story is basically that Sonam gets scolded because she was late and she didn't meet her
And
deadline.
have you seen any security guards around me?
No, actually I haven't.
No, I don't move around with security guards. You don't need them in Bombay. At least I don't.
So you don't have a deadline.
I do have a deadline. Twice a week, twice a month, I'm allowed to go out in the night, and I have to be back by 1:32 maximum.
What about finances? Is that also handled by dad?
No, money is handled by myself. I handle my money.
So it's not like you get a pocket money or a stipulated amount every month.
No.
So that money you have complete control
I have
over.
complete control of. I've been earning since the age of 18, 17. I haven't taken a penny from my parents since then.